Hi, it's Paul from MTB Pro. This is my stock swing trading analysis and alert video for Monday the 12th of March. So good day Friday. A lot of the bullish trades did do very well. So let's go through them. ATI, higher high, higher low after the gap up there. Starting to break out of this range now. We have got some resistance up ahead, but so far so good. We've got an increase in volume on Friday as well. So the momentum is starting to build back to the main bullish trend there on ATI. SCX had a good day Friday, closed near the high, increased volume from Wednesday and Thursday. So this sell-off, the profit taking, seems to have found support. We had the good gap up, good move, good price action, good volume. So hopefully on Monday we can get this momentum continuing back through the original entry. ISRG got the higher high, the higher low, did give off a little bit at the end there, but really good volume. We just didn't quite make it through this B pivot. But the main thing is we've broken and closed above this previous M pivot high. So we've got the higher support level now here from the previous wave 4 support level. We've got the higher high now, so we've broken through this resistance level, which in theory now should act as support. We just need a couple more bullish days in the market, I think, to keep pushing that through, and we should be fine with ISRG. ABT, monster day Friday, big price action day there, closed near the high, round about this previous consolidation level here, around about 63.50, but really good moves. Similar sort of action there where we've got this lower support level confirmed because we've closed and broken through this resistance level. So momentum's building well on this fifth wave, increased volume on Friday, so everything looking pretty good. BKU, really good day Friday. After Thursday's gap up and profit taking, although we got slightly lower volume on Friday, we closed near the high. We've got the higher high, the higher low, and we are clear of these two pivot levels now. So the next real resistance is the previous wave 3. So BKU had a really good day Friday, looking good with that momentum. DHR, fantastic day Friday. We well and truly broken through this resistance level, closed near the high, increased volume from Thursday. We're above average on the volume. And all in all, very good day Friday. Let's see if this momentum can continue into this week. FSLR seem to be a little bit rangy at the moment. We're contracting in price action there. The volume's quite low. We just seem to be forming a bullish pennant at the moment around about this price. We'll need a little bit more of a stimulus for traders to start buying into this stock again. So RL rejected the lows. We gapped up on Friday, rejected the lows, closed pretty much near the open there. So we are looking to form that consolidation level. And when we're on these fifth wave moves, when they do pull back, we're looking for higher support levels here and hopefully here. But early days yet, we need some green days back towards the original entry. ODFL, gap up, big move up. Volume wasn't overly spectacular, but just rode the bullish wave on Friday really with everything else. So we closed reasonably close to the high there on Friday, and we are entering what we would class as a resistance zone now, where this previous wave 3 and consolidation was. So push through there would be good. Then we've got fresh air all the way to the target. AAP, forming a little range, but we are right at the top of the range, and Friday saw a return to some decent volume. We're still around about average though, but after that volume contraction over a week, we did break that. We're back up at average now, and we closed near the high and the top of this range here. So really good day for AAP on Friday. What we need on Monday is a higher high, higher low, and close, round about the 120, something like that, or even above the 120. That would be good for this trade. BlackBerry pretty flat really. We had the big day Thursday, and then just got consolidation Friday. That's fine. We're okay. We're still in profit. WRD had a really good day Friday. Got the bullish Harami form now. Again, we had the SEC filing on Thursday, which caused this profit taking and sell off there because of concerns over the directors, but we seem to be recovering quite well. Early days yet, good volume. Early days, we need a higher high, high low Monday to confirm that we are pulling away from these lows, but so far survived. FDX, great day Friday. We have broken out of this range and this consolidation level, got that higher support from the wave 4 now, closed near the high. Volume still average, wasn't a really big volume day, but we closed near the high. We should see that momentum continue into this week. Stay almost back at break even. We did tip the original entry there, so this support level really held well. Got consolidation and support now. Last 3 days we've moved away from there. Momentum really does need to continue this week and close above this pivot here. NSC, great day. Again, we've got this higher support level from the wave 4. We got consolidation. Now we started to move away. Closed near the high. Increasing in volume every day last week, so really good. Looks good. We just need to get back above and break this eye pivot and start to move in the direction of the main trend, which is bullish. CTRP, the short, rejected the highs, and we've got that red indecision doji on Friday. We're looking for this to hold and to come back down. And then finally on the live trades DK, we got the higher high, the higher low, really good volume, but we ended up closing pretty much indecision there, but that's good. We got the main thing is we've got the higher high, the higher low. The volume did drop off a little bit, but this is still higher than average volume. So momentum seems to be going with this. Let's have a look at the orders. So HP came very close to trigger on Friday, but didn't quite make it. So we just got to let that ride out. 68.37, still a good entry for HP there. DVA, a little bit of a red day, still in this consolidation zone really. We need to break out of there. 75.51, good entry there. The two shorts, Jack, consolidation. So even though we had a really strong bullish day in the markets there, didn't really do a great deal. Let's check on the volume. I mean, the volume was slightly above average, but we didn't move higher. So this seems to be consolidation. Hopefully then we'd look for the breakout to the downside, and our entry is good at 86.70. GPOR, slightly new high, but didn't break the stop for the order. So the order remains the same. Now, obviously today, Monday, if this does push higher, we just take the order off and we await for a further resistance level to form. So 3 new orders for today. Weight Watchers. So after earnings reaction, we've had this wave 4 pullback, some profit taking. Now we've bounced for a few days off those lows, but the volume is contracting. So we've got be a little bit careful here. It could come down further. This is why I've gone very conservative with the entry here. So we're above this M pivot from the wave 3. We're above this high here, and 69.04 is the entry. So we're outside of the 6-4 moving average high for Monday's bar position. We're also above this M pivot here. So we've got a decent risk reward with a stop loss at 57.48, entry 69.04, and the target's around about $88, so 1 to 1.6. So while still remaining conservative, this is a decent entry for Weight Watchers. KKR, we're looking for the long here. We got a double top with his hand pivot now. This looks like we've got, again, with this wave 4, we've got this higher support level. We're looking to push through this hand pivot now. So our entry's at 22.78. stop loss 20.56 and the target around 26.50. So again, 1 to 1.6 risk to reward, pretty good. It's done quite a lot of work already. We just need to get on board now if this momentum pushes it through that level. And then finally, a potential short on AKR, trying to get a few more shorts in there just in case things turn around. So we have an entry at 23.70, which is way outside the 6-4 moving average low for Monday's bar position, but also below this pivot point here. This is the last time it tried to go and get back to the normal bearish trend in which this stock is in, but it failed, so we need to make sure we're below that. So 23.70 is the entry, 25.91 is the stop loss, and then the target for this short is around about 19.50, so a decent risk to reward there. That's it for today. Have a great trading day, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow.